Hello, I'm Bernie Wong, Movement Building and Research Lead at Mindshare Partners, and welcome to our monthly roundup of all things workforce mental health. From the recent election will emerge important shifts in federal and state politics that have implications for the workforce and workplace. Several states successfully raised minimum wages, introduced paid sick leave, and added protections for workers wanting to organize. Additionally, a recent piece in HR Brew provided a helpful overview of how Trump's presidency may impact HR politics in the next 4 years. For example, the author predicts the Department of Labor under Trump may roll back or slow pro-worker regulations opposed by the business community. This includes overtime thresholds, joint employer policies, and standards for contractor use. These kinds of employment-related policies have direct ties to employee well-being as they relate to health benefits access and mental health parity. They also have indirect ties, such as through wages, empowering workers' voices, and inclusion efforts. We've included a link in the comment section below for more information. A recent report published in psychiatry.com covered mental health and well-being outcomes among Asian and Pacific American professionals. In the poll, 77% said the country's racial climate was a major source of stress, and over half reported incidents of anti-Asian hate. 78% said their employer offers mental health resources, but only 15% felt leadership actually prioritized their mental health. Asian Pacific Americans continue to be underrepresented in executive roles, leading to feelings of invisibility and isolation in the workplace. Finally, a recent Harvard Business Review piece covers research showing how remote work can actually increase connection between colleagues, contrary to popular assumption. The researchers discussed how remote work can bring conversations into our homes, where coworkers end up learning more non-work information about each other. Of course, the ultimate takeaway here is not that remote work or in-person connection are necessarily better than one or the other. The researchers encourage us to consider the why behind in-person versus remote work policies and think about how work really gets done. Connection, community, and productivity, all of that is fostered by an organization's culture, no matter their location or setup. That concludes this month's roundup. As always, everything is linked in the comments below. Follow Mindshare Partners or myself to stay up to date for our future roundups. See you next time.